Popmart has restocked this Twinkle Twinkle, Crush on You series. It was sold out on the launch day. I am happy to get it when Popmart restock it. Crush on You, Plush Pendant Blind Box. The design of the moment. Albatross is Val. Nerdy Cupid. Skip a beat. Cat lover. Puppies love. There are Secret A and Secret B in this series. There are 6 blind boxes in a complete set. This is the lightest blind box. This is the heaviest blind box. These 2 blind boxes have similar weight. These remaining 2 blind boxes have different weight. Unboxing the first blind box. Crush on You, Plush Pendant Blind Box. These are the 6 Twinkle Twinkle designs. I hope to get the Secret A and Secret B. When I shake, the top and bottom are spacious with card knocking sound. Shake front and back, it feels tight but there is card sound. Shake left and right, it's tight with knocking sound. It's the puppies love, Twinkle Twinkle. This puppy Twinkle Twinkle is so adorable. The arms are not adjustable. The tail is not adjustable, it bounced back to the original pose. How would you rate this puppy's love Twinkle Twinkle? The estimated weight for this puppy's love Twinkle Twinkle from Popmart Crush on You series is 97.8 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. I really hope to get the Secret A or Secret B. The top and bottom are slightly tight. There is no card knocking sound. Shake front and back. It feels tight. Sound from the environment diatom bag. When I shake left and right, it's slightly spacious with card knocking sound. It's skip a beat, Twinkle Twinkle. This Twinkle Twinkle is like little girl. Cute little heart near her eyes. The arms are not adjustable. The estimated weight for this skip a beat Twinkle Twinkle from Popmart Crush on You series is 104.3 grams. These two blind boxes have similar weight. On my left, the box feels tight. On my right, the box feels more spacious. On my right, the box feels more spacious. Shake front and back. It feels tight but there is knocking sound. Let's unbox the blind box on my left. When I shake, top and bottom are tight with little space. Shake front and back. It feels tight but there is knocking sound. When I shake left and right, it feels tight. It's Albatross's Vow. This Albatross's Vow do not have the Twinkle Twinkle star hat. In love, the albatross symbolizes intense, lifelong devotion and loyalty. I saw in TikTok that this Albatross's Vow plush produce sound when you hit the head.
Oh my god.
Have you seen this in social media? Let's give it a try. Albatross's Vow plush do not have sound. Moral of the story is, do not believe everything you watch in social media. In conclusion, this Albatross's Vow do not have sound. The estimated weight for this Albatross's Vow Twinkle Twinkle from Popmart Crush on You series is 95 grams. Unboxing the fourth blind box. I really hope to get the secret A or secret B. When I shake top and bottom, it feels spacious with the environment diatom bag sound. Front and back shake is spacious. Left and right shake feels tight, but more spacious than box 3, which is the Albatross's Vow. It's nerdy Cupid Twinkle Twinkle. This Twinkle Twinkle is so adorable, it's my favorite. The clip are lockable. The Twinkle Twinkle outfit cannot be removed. Cute little Cupid wings. It has a heart instead of star on the hat. The estimated weight for this nerdy Cupid Twinkle Twinkle from Popmart Crush on You series is 95.5 grams. Nerdy Cupid is 95.5 grams. Albatross's vow estimated weight is 95 grams. The estimated weight difference is 0.5 grams. This is the last 2 chances to get the secret design. This box feels heavier. This box feels lighter. Let's unbox the heavier blind box. When I shake top and bottom, it's spacious but it feels heavy. Shake front and back. The box feels tight and you can feel the weight. Left and right shake. It feels spacious with knocking sound from the card. I really hope to get the secret A or secret B. No, it's not the secret design. It's the moment. Twinkle Twinkle. This Twinkle Twinkle looks like a boy, with a little star near his eye. The arms are not adjustable. The outfit is removable. Which is your favorite Twinkle Twinkle in this Crush on You series? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. The estimated weight for the moment Twinkle Twinkle from Popmart Crush on You series is 105.6 grams. Unboxing my last blind box. My last chance to get the secret design. Top and bottom shake feels spacious, with knocking sound from the card. Front and back shake is tight, not much space. The left and right shake is tight with the sound from the environment diatom bag. I seriously hope to get the secret A or secret B. Even though it's not the secret design, I am still happy to get this cat lover Twinkle Twinkle. Surprisingly, this cat lover Twinkle Twinkle looks cute and adorable. Don't you agree? The arms are not adjustable. The tail is not adjustable, it bounced back to the original pose. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. The estimated weight for cat lover Twinkle Twinkle from Popmart Crush on You series is 91 grams. Cat lover is the lightest, and the moment Twinkle Twinkle is the heaviest I have unboxed today. What is the secret design? These are the design for secret A and secret B. Good luck. I hope you get it. Till then, happy toy collecting.